Hey guys, Lech here. In my sauna, I want to show you a quick video how to replace a glass window if you have the Morrison stove company wood fire stove for your sauna build. This is the beast I'm using. I have full videos on how to set it up, break it in, install the chimney and all that, so check out my channel. I put a link to the stove, all its specs and so on as well. This is the dual feed door, meaning I have a door on the inside and a door on the outside. And what happens sometimes when they ship it, the carrier unfortunately mishandles the package and you can have a cracked window. Although they do protect it, it can happen. My window on the other side had a crack in it, so I'm gonna replace it instead of replacing the whole door. It's easy to replace. It's a couple bolts and pop the glass in and out. They send me the glass for free for the replacement. It's a lot easier and cheaper than doing the whole door. So let me show you guys what the issue is and how to get it fixed. So here's my outside feet that I was talking about. The glass is optional, but I requested it because it just looks so much cooler. But as you see, it came cracked. I've been using it with it like that. It's not an issue, but obviously you want to replace it, especially with your new stove. So we're gonna pop that out, pop the new one in, and here's what Todd and Susie sent me. Replacement glass, new longer bolts, because they sent me this heat rope with adhesive on it already. Something new they started using, so I'm gonna put that on the glass instead of using typical silicone, which I was gonna originally use. This is something you can use. I'll put links to everything below. I'll put links to their shop and everything you need. But 11mm wrench, I'm gonna pop these 6 bolts off, get this cover off, remove the old glass, see if there's any silicone in there, clean that up, and then we'll just pop it in. Let's get started. So you need adjustable wrench or 11 and 13mm sockets. 11s are for these 5 and 13 is for the one that is connected to the handle. So we'll start with these, and you're gonna hand tighten these after it. At least that's what Todd left me a message to do. I might just use the wrench a little bit, but as you see, they're coming off really easy. So I believe originally there's silicone here, so we're gonna try to use a flathead to pry this open. Yep. Be careful with any cracked glass. There we go. Wear gloves actually when doing this. It comes off pretty easy. Gonna cut off any old silicone. That will do it. So now, give you guys a close up. So now we're gonna use this heat barrier to install. What you're gonna do it, start in the middle of your glass here, put it right in the middle, and then you're gonna fold it over each side like this. So basically we have coverage on both ends, and we're just gonna work our way around. There we go. That's ready for install. So Todd did send me longer bolts, as this will probably give you a 1/4 inch extra width now. But we got the extra bolts, so let's install. Okay, so make sure the little notch here goes where your handle is. We're just gonna pop this in. So it's perfect. Look at that, no silicone needed. Otherwise, if you're using silicone, just a bead here, and we're just sticking it right in. I'm gonna see if the old bolts work because they're already black. Yeah, that will do. We don't even have to replace the bolts. Just gonna do a gentle tighten. Make sure this can still wiggle. And you are good. I just went enough so it feels tight, but I didn't keep going to force it. But that's really it. New window installed. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope this is helpful. Please subscribe, follow to my channel. More videos on the sauna build, on this stove install, testing it and all that. And check out the links below for all the stove info and all the deals you can get on these guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much.